What's up everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. Today we're going to be testing the Rode Video Mic Me-L. Let's do this. Audio is a very important part of most videos. Sometimes I actually add extra audio effects to my videos, but the audio quality at least has always been pretty okay. But with extra microphones like the Rode Me-L, you'll definitely be able to capture a little bit more contained, a little bit more precise. Now Rode has a couple microphones that have been very popular, like the Video Micro series, and also the Video Mic Me, which is literally the same as this guy, but it has a 3.5mm connector instead of a lightning connector. So this microphone is amazing for iOS users because all you really need to do is plug and play, since now there's no headphone jacks. Now I intentionally left that window open so you could hear all the chatter of the outside noise of everything that's going on and how the iPhone XS Max is capturing it. The iPhone XS Max has stereo microphones, so it can capture stuff that happens on the left side and on the right side. You can capture the world like you hear it in real life. So if you're wearing headphones, you'll definitely be able to hear that panning between your right ear and left ear. It's pretty amazing. Now at times, that might not be the intention, because I'm pretty sure those of you who are listening to headphones are probably hearing a lot of what's going on outside, or a little bit more of room ambience. And stuff like that might take away from that connection that you can make with your videos if you're just trying to vlog. So stereo might be something that you might not really need on that specific video that you're trying to create. And that's when this comes in. So just by simply plugging it in on the lightning connector on your iPhone, then we start getting a completely different experience. Now I went outside and did some tests while vlogging and capturing just environmental audio, and this is what we encountered. This is an attempt, while there's a lot of noise like the water fountain to my right, with the Rode microphone. This is the attempt to vlog with the built-in native stereo microphones on the iPhone XS Max. Also, I forgot to mention that in the back of the Rode Video Mic Me-L, there's an actual 3.5mm headphone jack that you can actually use it on different applications to monitor or to hear an audio track while you're recording vocals. So it's very versatile. You can even just put it on to play music if you have different types of headphones that use 3.5mm or so. I think that's pretty cool. The Rode Video Mic Me-L is available right now for around $79. This is fantastic for vloggers, real estate agents. If you're capturing an interview or a podcast, this is a fantastic option to increase the quality of your audio. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Any thoughts, questions, suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to make relevant content for you. Links for everything I use are under the description. And as always, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I'll catch you on the next one.